If you have noticed a crack where the wall meets the ceiling, you are definitely not alone. This happens in a lot of homes because buildings naturally shift over time, temperature changes affect materials, and sometimes previous repairs simply fail. The good news is this is a repair you can absolutely do with a few basic tools and a little patience. In this video I will show you step by step how to repair the crack properly, get a smooth finish and make it look like it was never there. Before starting, protect the floor and nearby furniture because this can get a little dusty and messy. The first thing we need to do is remove any loose material. Use a scraper or utility knife to carefully open the crack slightly in the V shape. Make sure to cut the crack properly and remove any loose parts. You don't want to just cover the crack without cleaning it first. If the loose paint or old filler stays underneath, the repair may fail again later. It is always a good idea to use vacuum cleaning. Next step is to use wall filler and put it in a hole with a putty knife. Put the wall filler with putty knife hard enough inside and make the hole full about 80%. Remove any excess wall filler with a finger and knife. Because this crack is between two surfaces that can move slightly over time, using a flexible acrylic sealant is a really important step. Apply 2 even lines across the entire crack, making sure it fills the gap properly. Then smooth it out using your finger or a finishing tool. Try to keep the line as clean as possible. After the sealant dries, it is time to apply joint compound. Spread a coat over the repaired area using a putty knife. Feather the edges outward so the repair blends naturally into the wall and the ceiling. Don't rush in this part. Several thin coats always work better than one thick coat because they dry more evenly and reduce shrinking or cracking. If necessary, let the first coat dry completely and apply another thin layer. Once everything is fully dry, sand the area until it feels smooth. A good trick is to run your hands across the surface. Sometimes your hand can feel imperfections that are hard to see. Use the forward-backward movement for sanding. After sanding, use your hand to check the surface. After sanding, very important step is to wipe away all the dust before painting. First apply primer and then 2 coats of paint. First use your brush for the edges. Then use your roller for the wall and ceiling. Apply an even coat and blend it into the surrounding area. After second coat, you will have perfect coverage. Directly after painting, while the paint is still fresh, remove this protection. Clean everything and make sure that the dust remains in this nylon. And that is the finished result, clean, smooth and looking like the crack was never there. This repair may seem small, but it can completely improve the look of the room. If you have cracks like this in your home, let me know in the comments how bad they are. Thanks and see you!